The first thing you need to do is find the Epic app. Click on that. Then in the Epic app, look for your name. Scroll down. I'm going to pick my name. Once I'm under my name, then on the bottom, I can see there's an icon of a mailbox with a number. I'm going to click on that. It's a red notification. When I'm in the mailbox, I can see that there are 3 different poetry collections for me. Nursery rhymes, some poetry, and then old favorite poems. I'm going to click on the nursery rhymes one. And then in the nursery rhymes, I'm going to scroll around and find which poem I want to read. Any of them, it doesn't matter which one. I'm going to click on the Itsy Bitsy Spider. And I already started reading
The itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
So when the poem is done, you will see in a second here, I will push finish book. From there, then I will tap on the screen one time, and then you will see there will be a blue X in the corner when I tap on it. I'm going to click on that blue X. That gets me out of that book. And then I have more nursery rhymes I can choose from, or I can push the blue back arrow to go back to the collection of poems. And then from there, I can maybe click a new one. Maybe I want to go into the old favorite poems and then find a poem of my choice in there.